In this video, I'll tell you about the three simplest methods that you could make to get the coffee or even make it. First of all, you could buy it from the shop, which is located in Mount Albert, as you know, Mecca. So otherwise, you could use this. There is a special machine that you could use it and just put it for 1 hour and then leave it. If you don't have this machine, you could use the oven. Up to this point, this is the quantity that I need for this week. And if you notice that I already warm up the oven, and I'll put the coffee bean inside. Just very careful. So you just only need to put it in the middle, and then you back up the temperature up to 150, and you keep the temperature from upside the up and the bottom. So we will leave it for 30 minutes and we'll see how it goes. So now we're gonna check how is the coffee going. Take it out, and we need to move it upside down in order to see how it has been burned. So now it's nearly ready. Just I'm gonna put it back for 10 minutes. That's it. Probably now it's ready, and then we'll take it out and see how it goes. If you could see, this is the style that I would love to make the coffee, and that's the thing that I want. So if you want it more stronger, you should keep it give it more time to make it more strong, like this coffee bean. If you see the others, it's not that much burning. You could see that the coffee bean is ready, but we need to give it a time to cool down. Probably gonna be 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Now I will grind the coffee bean after it has been burned, and I'll put it in the machine. So as you can see, I'm taking some quantity by my hand and just put it inside. And do not fill it up, because if you fill it up, it will go out. So we put the head of the machine, and then just the only thing you need is plug it in the socket outlet, and just only push the head down, and it will work. And while it's working, try to move it up and down. And we'll keep it warm, and we'll open it and see how it goes. Yep, that grinding, it's the best for making coffee. It's not that much smooth, and it's not strong, so it's in the middle. And then it's the only things you need to just put it inside the plastic. And you could do the same process, the grinding with the rest of the coffee bean. We're crushing the coffee beans. Now we're gonna put the water inside. If you notice, this is how we could make the coffee on it. And if you notice, it's already hot, so we use the boiling water, because in order to make it faster, so we don't need to consume sometimes. You could see the water is already boiling and it's already hot. And then we will reduce the gas, make it in a quiet position, and it's ready for putting the coffee. Now we're gonna put 1 scoop of finjal, and then we're gonna put it inside. So you see how it goes, it's still boiling. The gas should be in a quiet position. You raise the gas for a little while in order to mix the coffee up. So, and then you reduce it. You're doing this position just only in the beginning. And if you notice that it's still boiling. And this movement should be done, as I said in the beginning, to mix the coffee upside down. So now you keep it in a quiet fire, and then you just only close it up, and then keep the front one opening, so still boiling, and give it from 15 to 20 minutes. These are the coffee recipe. saffron, cloves, and cardamom. And we start with the cardamom, and as you could see, the thermos, and we're gonna put. The quantity is really depends on how would you like it. We're gonna put 1 spoon of the cardamom, and a little bit of cloves, which is because of it's really strong. So that really depends on how would you like it. Put inside, and I'll take by my own hand from the saffron, just a little bit like that, and then we wait until the coffee finish. 20 minutes, you could see that the coffee is ready. Now I'm gonna raise the gas to see how it's ready and available, and now I'll turn it off. Keep it just for a few seconds in order to make it cool down. Close the head, and I will close the front as well. And then I'll take something that keep me safe, and I'll split it slowly. Keep it closed. Now it's finished. Refund that one, and we closed the thermos. By this process, we finished making the coffee. That was the end of the coffee journey. I hope you find something interesting and you learn something interesting from it. If you have any question, I will respond in the lecture.